Hello, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you one more house for today. It's in a really nice neighborhood and my investor is thinking of buying it, but I really believe it's more problems. We had a really hard time for seller to respond to our request so we can do inspection. It took them about 2 weeks to turn on electricity. And finally, we have electricity. So I can do video for the investor and also to share with you guys. This is 3-bedroom and that's how kitchen looks. That's all what they have for kitchen. And which is really weird, like you can see that this is for refrigerator, but they put stove here. So if you're gonna put stove here and fridge there, you need to remove these ones, but it's okay. So let's go to the basement and you can see that this door has been eaten by a dog probably. It's really nasty carpet right here, doesn't smell good. Whew. Yeah, does not smell well. Probably they have a water leak somewhere here. And we asked them to fix this toilet, which they did not do. We also have some problem with the ceiling, and they were working on water right here. This is how bathroom looks. And beautiful cabinet. I'm not gonna touch it, but I'm gonna try to flush it so there is no water here. That's what we were waiting for the inspection, but they didn't do anything. Okay, and let me show you 3 more rooms. So this house, it's in a better neighborhood than houses that I show you today. I'm gonna link some videos on top. You can always go and see my playlist where you can see houses from 5,000 to 50,000 in Cincinnati. This is bathroom, and just for my agent so he knows we're not lying. No water in the bathroom. No water in the bathroom. Okay. Closing. No light here. There is some problem with the cabinet. Okay, and in this room I believe we have a mold, and this is usually talking about leak on a roof. Okay, and one window is broken. I didn't see it before. It's broken. This is closet. Okay, that's another room. And these cabinets are not closing. We also asked them to fix them. And in this room, we do not have electricity. It has a light bulb, but not electricity. So electrical problem does exist. Mold in this room, broken window. So this house is for sale for $62,000 and we have an accepted offer, but most likely we're gonna walk out of it because it still has a lot of things that need to be fixed and seller is not cooperating. Thank you guys for watching it. I would appreciate you sharing this, and if you need an address, as always, leave me a comment. I will do it. We'll leave you an address if you want to buy this property. Other than this, thank you and have a great day.